the red light in a traffic light means stop, and then when it turns green it tells the motor to go. Hello guys, so today in this video we're going to be building a traffic light, and I'm going to be showing you right today in this video. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel and you really love what you're seeing right here, please hit that subscribe button and let's get started. So welcome back again. So I hope you have subscribed to my channel and hit that notification button so you'll be notified for new project on next week. So these are the requirements for what we need in this project. So first I'm going to be starting with the boxing. I'm going to be cutting this. So I've done that already, and I also drill some holes in the markers, and also cut some plastics into shapes for boxing the 3 LEDs, which is going to be red, green, and also yellow. So what next? So guys, I'm done with this. So what next again is going to be the circuit. So let's go into building the circuit. So you're going to be placing your 55 IC like this, the way I place it on the breadboard, and you're going to give a space between those two ICs as I did. Your connector connecting pin 2 to pin 6, and then we're going to be connecting pin 4 and pin 8 of the first 55 timer IC. If you're with your breadboard, you can follow what I'm doing right now, follow the steps. Then the second IC is going to be pin 2 and also pin 6, and then we're going to be placing 100k resistor to pin 6 and to pin 8. So with the next connector, you're going to be connecting pin 3 of the first 55 timer IC to pin 8 of the second 55 timer IC. So with the next connector, you're going to be connecting pin 4 of the first 55 timer IC to pin 4 of the second 55 timer IC, and also you can do as well as connecting pin 4 of the second 55 timer IC to pin 8 of the first 55 timer IC, all at the same, because pin 4 of the first 55 timer IC is connected across to pin 8 of the first 55 timer IC, so there's no problem with that. So the next thing you're going to do is the ground, which is pin 1. Pin 1 of any 55 timer IC is always ground. So the pin 1 of the first 55 timer IC and the second 55 timer IC are all connected together. So you're going to connect pin 1 of the first 55 timer IC and pin 1 of the second 55 timer IC together. These parts in the breadboard are all connected together, or you can maybe say linked. Oh no, this is not what you're supposed to do. I said pin 1. This is what you're supposed to do. Okay, so let's get into the next one. So the next one is going to be the capacitor, which is the 100 UF capacitor, and we're going to be connecting the positive to pin 2 and this negative facing pin 1. And that's the same thing we are going to be doing in the second 55 timer IC. Okay, that, I hope that's better. So the next resistor is going to be a 47k resistor, and that is going to be connected to pin 3 of the second 55 timer IC and to pin 6 of that same second 55 timer IC. So the next resistor we're going to be connecting is going to be a 330 ohms resistor, and that's going to be connected to pin 3 of the first 55 timer IC and then to a space there around that breadboard. So that space there is going to be left for the red LED where you're going to be plugging the red LED. So then the next one again is going to be a 330 ohms resistor. Also, that one is going to be connected to pin 7 of the second 55 timer IC and also to a space left there on the breadboard, which is going to be for the yellow LED. So the next is going to be 120 ohms resistor. So that is going to be connected to the ground, and this other space is going to be left for the green LED. And this is a 9-volt battery connector, and that is going to be inset in the holes of pin 1, which is ground, and the holes of pin 8, which is positive. Okay, here's the traffic light that we did. I've just added some design to this to make it look nice, and we are going to be starting with the red LED. So the ground is connected to the first 330 ohms resistor, which was connected to pin 3 of the first 55 timer IC, and then the positive is going to be connected to pin 8 of the first 55 timer IC, and that's where we're going to be doing the same to the yellow LED. The positive also is going to be connected to pin 8 of the first 55 timer IC. And then we are going to be connecting its ground to the 330 ohms resistor that was connected to pin 7 of the second 55 timer IC. So the next is the green LED. So we are going to be connecting that positive side to pin 3 of the second 55 timer IC, where we had a 47k resistor connected to pin 3 and pin 6. So you're going to be connecting that to pin 3 of the second 55 timer IC, and then the ground is going to be connected to the 120 ohms resistor that was being connected to ground. So I'm going to be taking that to the 120 ohms resistor. As I said, don't worry about this part. I'm going to leave a diagram later in this video, so stay tuned to the end so that you don't get confused on what I'm doing right now. So we're going to be testing this, but wait guys, this project is actually working for real. I thought this project is gonna end up somehow, and I just got lucky that this project worked. So finally my project is complete. Guys, this project look nice right now. I've been waiting for that day that I'm going to put the traffic on this road. Finally, I've made a complete highway. So guys, if you really love what is happening, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time.